Let's try this again. Do you ever wake up with a feeling of immense dread? Nothing has happened or changed, but maybe you feel cold. Like a kind of primordial nothing that only the best kind of laughter can fix. Where you're left with your sides hurting, breathless and wheezing. Did you know that one of the symptoms of a heart attack is a feeling of impending doom? How scary is that? I'm a bit of a hypochondriac, so just thinking about that whenever I feel dread I might actually be dying. Terrifying. I might as well be having pretty much constant heart attacks. Most of the time I don't feel like that though. Sometimes I wake up and I feel strong and loved, and like nothing in a million years could ever break my soul. But that's something I've taught myself. Kindness is something I've had to work for. I've had to work towards it. But I wish it was something that was shown to everyone regularly. I feel this immense love for humanity sometimes. Like how we write music and poetry for fun, even if it's terrible. And how we bake each other things and dance and smile for each other. It's adorable. Humanity is adorable. I just love being a person with everyone so much, even though I don't feel like one a lot of the time. But sometimes I remember that all you are is the things you love, and I think that I might just be able to do it, to be human. I always think about a smaller version of me though. A small child that just has so much joy and love in her that it spills out of her pores in puddles of unsaid praises and acknowledgements, shoving lawn-mowed grass down her brother's shirts, making nettle tea that tastes like absolute garbage, singing so loud that people beg her to stop, but she won't, because she wants to sing. But now I'm a boy, and I'm older, and I'm still kind and loud, and I still sing sometimes. But something is different. Maybe it's the weather. Maybe it's the lack of popsicles in my life. Maybe I'm just sick of being scraped up from climbing or something like that. But I don't think that's it. I think I'm just older. I think I've been through a lot, and I'm older, and I'm just tired. My back is hurting and my brain is cloudy, but my wall is covered with my most treasured memories. And my bed holds me like I wish my mother would when I'm upset. I am constant, non-existent nostalgia, and it makes me want to scream its hollowness to the sky. Fairy lights twinkle over my memories, and I wish I could close my eyes and dance between them like the little girl that still lives inside of my soul. But I can't. And I'm tired. My back really does hurt.
Stick a little